The USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about USD against Canadians. So it's a live market as you can see, and I have a lot of pairs in my mind, their analysis and everything going on in my head. So while I sort out everything, while I clear my thoughts, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So click on this link, come to this page here, check out all these proofs. All this money was made by using a software, the EA, by giving the correct settings on automation. So this is for newbies who do not want to learn this complicated stuff of manual trading. Okay, so in case you want to make money using the software, check out the first link. Second link say join Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you're connected with my Telegram channel. And it says check out best prop for a man forex brokers. Click on this link, come to this page, and you can check the best prop firm in the world. Okay, when I say best, then it is the best. I am not here to give you top 5 prop firms, top 3 prop firms. Number 1 means number 1. That's it. Okay. So prop firm means if you don't have 10,000, 20,000, that kind of money to start trading, but you have the skill to pass the challenge, then go and join some prop firm, pass the challenge, and get funded. But if you have the money, then you can register with one of these brokers, and then you can start your trading journey. Now go and check out these links and start with the analysis. USDCAD. I have to give some disclaimers. My videos are for educational purposes only. However, most of the time I'm right, okay? Because just to give an example, my previous videos, if you go on my channel, I have just done NZD, USD analysis, GBP USD, Euro USD. And in these 3 videos, before this video, I told you that I was expecting the news for dollar to go positive today. It was my gut feeling, okay? So one of the news is positive, and in 7 minutes, we have this new home sales. I think it's going to be positive again for USD. It's my gut feeling only the time will tell, okay? But I think tonight or today, wherever you are, for me it's tonight here, but in America it's daytime. So dollar is going to push up today, okay? Push up means in USD CAD, we can see that the weekly is downtrend clearly, for daily is again downtrend, and 4-hour is again downtrend, okay? So if you're a scalper, I don't know what you're gonna do, because I don't look into I don't look into 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart. I only do long-term analysis. So if you're a scalper, use my videos for long-term analysis and then enter your position accordingly, okay? And my videos, as a disclaimer, are for educational purposes only, but I know what I'm doing. So if you are going to make money with my videos or lose money, I'm not responsible. However, if you make money from my videos, then you will find a link below my video in the future where you can share profits with me if you like. I want to see this. I want to see how many people will get back to me saying thank you and sharing their profits. I will try this in the future, not right now. Not right now. Right now, everything is totally free, okay? So I am assuming all the news which will be coming today will be positive for dollar. That's my gut feeling. As an experienced trader, I think it's my gut feeling that news will be in favor of dollar today, which means dollar will be pushing up. So in daily chart, you will see dollar going up. Okay, maybe until here. Use your Fibonacci. Okay, use your Fibonacci from here till here, and then dollar should come up until here maybe. And after that, if you have the red candle, then enter. So let me show you weekly. Actually, in weekly, you can see dollar is the trend is going for this low. So previous weekly low is this, which is at 3,500. Okay. So in the coming weeks, it could take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't know. Okay. But surely dollar will come down until here, until this low. So we are in the downtrend clearly. And if you're willing to wait for 2, 3, 4 weeks, you will surely touch down this previous weekly low. Okay. But in daily, you have to wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. Use your Fibonacci. Okay. Pull back, then then the confirmation red candle, and then again take your 1:2 ratio profit. If you come back to 4-hour, I think it might cross the EMA, okay? So because dollar should go up all day today, so it might touch the EMA, or it might cross the EMA as well in 4-hour, or it might reject the EMA and then give you the red candle and then again start turning down, okay? So as of now in USD CAD, if you're a scalper, it's a buy, a scalper for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I think you can enter buy, okay? But if you're a long-term trader, then wait for the pullback in daily. I think this is our Fibonacci from here until here. So draw the Fibonacci, and then you wait for the retracement for at least 50%, and then the confirmation red candle next day. So I think, yeah, maybe on Friday we can go, or yeah, maybe on Friday we can go for sell in this USD CAD. But it's too early to say, because that's why you need to watch daily analysis videos. Okay. So yeah, am I going to sell today in USD CAD? I don't think so. Okay. It all depends. And keep an eye on the news, keep an eye on the Fibonacci, keep an eye on the pullback, and then the confirmation. And yeah, so I am not possibly looking for sells tonight as a long-term trader. Okay, if you're a scalper, do whatever you like. Okay, you can see here, this was the, this was the previous high in 4 hour. In 4 hour, this was the high which was broken from by this high. And if this 4 hour candle breaks this high, that means we are in a short uptrend in 4 hour for USD CAD. Okay, so be careful. Keep watching my videos, subscribe and like. And again, in daily chart, I think it's gonna pull back until here, then red candle, and then enter 1:2 ratio. Okay, so if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, check out these links, join my Telegram. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care. Bye bye.